previous lesson, we talked about the type of resume: chronological, functional, and combination. In this lesson, we will talk about the importance of a cover letter and how to make one. So, in short, a cover letter, sometimes called a covering letter, is a one-page document. It's written to express why you are the best candidate for a particular job. And it's always paired with a resume and should highlight your relevant experience, show your case familiarity with the company and their goals, and convey a bit of personality. So a cover letter is also an essential part of a strong job application. A great one can get you interviews, even your resume is lacking. But a bad one, however, can make you look unprofessional and ruin your chances of landing work. When a hiring manager finishes reading your cover letter, they should be chomping at the bit to have you in the interviews. 5 reasons why you need a cover letter. Number 1, although a cover letter is a brief, a good one packs you a punch if you write well. Number 2, successfully introduce you to the hiring manager. Number 3, make strong cases why you're the best person for the job. Number 4, prove your desire to work at the company. And number 5, any missing data that couldn't be included on your resume, you can put it in your covering letter. You give the hiring manager a call to action, and if you can manage to check off those 5 boxes or those 5 reasons, your letter can be compelling, powerful companion to your resume. In the following article about how to write a cover letter, you will learn how to build your own cover letter by following only 5 steps. And you may already know, please make sure to share your cover letter with your language specialist trainer for feedback. One more time, thank you very much for watching, and see you in class.